Look at this orange cat. He melts under the brush, like someone just switched him to maximum happiness mode. His head tilts, his eyes disappear, and suddenly, he's not a cat anymore, he's a warm little caramel pudding pretending to be alive. He leans into the brush like he's trying to fuse with it, then slips just a tiny bit, catches himself with royal dignity, and goes right back to his diva pose. You saw nothing. Continue pampering me. Every stroke turns him softer, sweeter, mushier. He becomes a tiny orange puddle of joy, a fluffy marshmallow with zero bones left. And when the brush pauses for half a second, he cracks one eye open like, hey, don't stop. I was ascending. Then the brushing starts again, and he drifts straight back into his personal paradise, calm, melting, absolutely perfect. So tell me, if you were there, would you pet him, kiss his little forehead, or grab the brush and give him the sauté of his dreams?